So let's get into it, guys. Wow. How cute! Oh my god. Okay, so I'm so excited because I just got the Medicube delivered. I'm super happy. Let's go ahead and open her up. I honestly almost bought this in Korea, but she was super expensive. She was still like full price out there. They didn't have any deals or anything like that. And I almost purchased it when I was in Korea through the US website to have it just shipped to my house then because it was on sale for Memorial Day. And I missed it. I missed it, and I was so upset. But I'm actually glad I missed it because I was going to get this set plus something else, plus another set, and it was more than I spent for this one. I basically was able to get this for 60% off, but let's go ahead and get into this one because I am super excited about opening this and seeing what it is. So I got my handy dandy little tool here. What the hell is this? Okay, well, whatever. So let's get into it, guys. Wow. How cute! I've been wanting one of these. Oh my god, so it came with this little headband and I really, really wanted one. I'm not a big pink girly, but it's still super cute. I literally have been wanting one of these so bad, so I'm super happy. Okay, so the bundle included, oh my god, the Medicube Deep, I didn't realize how big these were, but the Medicube Deep Vita C Daily Quick Masks. So it looks like this, and it comes in a little tub. So it's like a little vitamin C mask. It came with the Deep Vita C pad, and I guess these are just for under the eye. Oh, these are to like wipe on the skin and tone the face. So these are the toner pads. So these ones. And then I also got the Vita C Pro Ampule. And this one is the Deep Vita C Cream, which I'm super excited about because, so this one was for their deep line and wrinkles. One, because they had a few different bundles. So one of their bundles was the collagen one. So basically it was like collagen jelly one, which I was actually really, really tempted to buy because the collagen jelly I've seen like everywhere and it's been such a big hit. And there was a few other bundles. If they're still left, I'll leave them here. But I decided on this one because it was specifically for like the fine lines. Oh, they had a pore line. I think one of them, they had the little extreme shots where it's like the micro needling in a bottle, which I'm actually glad because I actually did get some of that in another bundle. So that will come later. And I'll do a separate video on that, but I'm super excited to open this last piece of it, which is the Age-R Booster Pro. I'm so excited. You don't understand, like I've been wanting this thing forever and ever and ever, and I literally just have not pushed the trigger or pulled the trigger on this because it's so expensive. And I'm so glad I waited because, I mean, I guess it's, the saying is true, good things come to the people who wait. Because literally, if I had bought this when I really originally wanted it, I think I would have only saved like 10 or 15%. And instead of getting all of this, which is basically the Age-R Booster Pro, the Deep C Vita C pads, the quick mask, the toner pads, and the ampule, all for under $400. So honestly, like this was such a good deal. I cannot wait to use it. I'm definitely gonna use it tonight. And so we'll see how my skin feels afterwards. I've been watching so many videos and so many reviews of how to use this, and because like I was like, I don't know which ones to go first, like if there's a specific order, but there's so many YouTube and TikTok and Reels out there to kind of guide you through how to use each setting, and I'm sure it comes with really great instructions. Actually, let's open it up. Final sale apparently, because it says no returns if the seal is removed, so that's fine. Okay, so let's go ahead and open her up. It's kind of exciting because it's almost, it's feeling very like iPhone-y, except for like there's no like the quick peels. But see, like it has like the little, ooh, and even more so because even this, like this little top sheet, it has the manual and the cables inside of it, and then a little logo on it. Hopefully you can see that. I don't know how it's doing. Also, it comes with instructions. When using for the first time, start with the lowest intensity level and adjust as needed, which, I mean, that is the best, I would say, like, advice for anything, because you never know how your skin is going to react or how your face will react. Okay, so it is USB-C, which is great because, I mean, I'm pretty sure at this time everybody has these lying around everywhere. And then there is our Booster Pro manual. Oh, it has Bluetooth connection, and then it does tell you what each line is for and what frequency they are. So that's really great. So, okay, so it has a breakdown here for the specific sonic vibrations. So the Radiance Booster mode, they are to help, which is the orange mode, is help to design to have this skincare absorb deeper. The line mode, which is the green mode, are synchronized with lifting motion, so they cause the lifting action. Elasticity Derma Shot mode, which is the red mode, vibrations are suitable for muscle care. And then there is the Pore Air Shot mode, which are for your pores. So that's the one that you're not supposed to use more than 2 or 3 times a week. What's the purple mode? Like, that's the one that, like, it's not in here. Like, there's blue, orange, green, red, and then purple. And there's a Bluetooth app, so it tells you, so you can kind of download the Bluetooth app and use that, and it basically keeps track of everything. And it reports. It gives you reports on everything. That's kind of cool. Let's see. Oh, okay, and it tells you different types of methods for each mode. So this one has the watering, boosting, and focus techniques to help. I don't know if you can see that actually. Basically watering, you place it on the head against the skin in road and circular motions, providing a boosting effect. Boosting, press and slide the head, providing a boosting, they're also all boosting effects. I don't know. Oh, this is like the uvular area, so don't use this on your neck. Some of these you can't use on that area, so there was a things on there. I'm just trying to find out where the purple mode is, because what the hell's the purple one for? And then it goes to show you how to read your screen of the Booster Pro, and yeah, you go from there. Then the last piece is going to be the actual device itself, which is here. That's how it turns on.
Booster mode, level 1.
Okay. And then you kind of just switch through the modes, pressing the mode button.
Shot mode, air shot mode.
This is the mode that you're not supposed to go to.
Mode, level 1. Microcurrent mode, Derma Shot mode, level 1.
I know it says it's a 6-in-1 product, so it'd be interesting to see what the other, because that was what, 4 modes, so what the other modes are, because what am I getting out of, what am I missing? Like I said, it's supposed to be a 6-in-1 device, but it only is giving me 4 modes to use, so maybe I'm missing out. I'll have to come back when I do some little bit more research, but I just wanted to show you my initial reaction and opening of these, and then we will probably get into actually using this later tonight, and I'm so excited to show you guys and let you know what my honest opinions are and see how my reactions are to the first time using it, because I've seen so many things on TikTok, but like TikTok and Reels, like basically they show you how to use the product, but they don't tell you how it feels, what to expect, like anything like that. So I kind of want to just make something that's like an initial reaction to it so that you guys can kind of prepare yourselves if you guys do buy this of what it will feel like, so you're not surprised or taken aback. So I'm willing to be your guinea pig and tell you my experience with this, because yeah, I've been super excited to use this. Like I said, I did order some other products for them, and I will be using my products that I purchased in Korea, because this technically is a Korean product. Like I said, there's a big Medicube stores there. I even went to one of their main stands in Hyundai Seoul. And I even walked by a Medicube building or store. So they are huge in Korea. So what's it called? I will come back. We will stay tuned for my reaction because I'm super excited about this. I don't know if anybody of you considered buying this, but it's definitely, I think once I got back, especially after getting filler and Botox, which will be another video of what I got in Korea because I don't mind sharing that with you. I'm pretty open with my experiences with plastic surgery and I guess surgical, well, not surgical procedures, but like I guess injectables. Because like I said, I wish more people were honest about what they got, because some people don't want to admit that they got work done, which is weird because it's like you spend so much money on it, like you should be proud of what you're spending your money on. Like, I don't know. I know without it, I've aged pretty well. Because even before all this, like people would say that I look really, really young, and that's because of I will give that to my skincare that I used and just being melanated. But yeah, what's it called? I'm not shy or embarrassed about the procedures I've gotten because I've spent my hard-earned money to get those, and it's something that I wanted to do. So if it's something that you want to do, I just don't understand why people are so shy about it. Like, oh well, I mean, unless it's like a full reconstruction, sure, but like even then, it's kind of like you went through this like crazy procedure. Like you should be proud of it. Like as far as cosmetic surgery, there's other surgeries out there that I'm sure you can get or that people have had and maybe they're not so proud of it, or maybe it's a sad story. You know, there's a lot of surgical procedures out there, but I'm specifically talking about cosmetic procedures or cosmetic enhancements. Because why not? Like I said, you paid your hard-earned money. Obviously, people are going to notice that you look different, especially people who've known you for a long time. So, like, might as well be out and proud with what you've gotten done. But yeah, anyways, we'll see you in a little bit when it is time to do my skincare later tonight. I'm so excited. Like, yes, I'm so